some fuel for our road trip to New York City.
Look how cute these lattes are. They wrote what they are.
This coffee shop in Dorchester is the only one I've seen that does almond syrup. It's called Homestead Bakery, and the almond syrup is really good.
Coffees are good.
I got oat milk latte with the almond syrup. I got a vanilla latte. Highly recommend if you're ever in Dorchester.
You know what's crazy? The last time we went to grocery shopping, like this looks exactly like the Trader Joe's that we were at.
Because all Trader Joe's look the same.
Stopped at Trader Joe's for a quick lunch on the way. I got the creamy hummus vegetable wrap and
I got the lemon basil pasta. You can make a salad out of anything.
This was pretty good. I'd say 7 out of 10. The wrap tasted good and the hummus was good, but it was too much cabbage. Spicy lentil still is #1 for me. What would you rate it? You thought it was gonna be horrible.
I mean, I thought it was gonna be horrible, but
It
wasn't horrible. It was edible, but I don't know if edible still means it was good. Depends on what you're into. If you're into salads, pasta in them, so pasta salads.
What would you rate it out of 10, just generally?
Minus the green peas, like a calm 5 out of 10. Since it had green peas and they were mushy, it would be like a 3 out of 10.
Like, you were enjoying it and you're making it sound, you're
Was I
rating.
enjoying it? It was just food. It was just like sustenance. It was like, you know,
It's
I
fuel.
gotta give myself some energy right now. Just get some food in you.
Well, overall,
Like, there was no enjoyment to that.
good stop if you're in a
Trader
pinch
Joe's
on the
sponsor
road.
us.
Yeah, that'd be really cool actually.
Should needed some salt and pepper though.
We started our weekend in New York in Brooklyn. We originally planned to go to a cute little happy hour in Manhattan, but when we arrived it was horribly downpouring with rain. So we settled for a cute little Italian place called Bar Camillo in the heart of Bed-Stuy. I tried my first Negroni ever. I ordered the gold Negroni, 10 out of 10. We had to order pizza, of course. It was their specialty. I got the margherita pizza and my boyfriend got something with broccoli and sausage. And this was honestly a big win for me. I had been facing some challenging thoughts around food and body recently, and eating this pizza, enjoying my night, being 100% in the moment and present was just what I needed, and proved to myself that pizza is nothing to fear and it should be enjoyed, and I do enjoy it. Negroni #2.
Oh, yeah, take it home, yeah.
I got the vegan chocolate pumpkin pie.
Speed walking because it's 11:45 and 5 minutes ago I was supposed to be at an appointment to get my ears pierced. Astrid and Miu invited me to go check out their jewelry and get a free piercing. I was like, why not? The J train stopped running to Manhattan, which is very nice and convenient, so I'm late. I let her know, it's not my fault, but I think I'm gonna get my thirds, I'm not sure, and just check out their jewelry, which I'm very excited about. I've made it to Essex Street in Lower Manhattan, and yeah, just walking. absolutely loved my experience here. All the jewelry is gorgeous. The piercing process was so simple and I felt like it was so safe and clean, and the piercing professional was so lovely. It was so nice to chat with them and get my ears pierced. I will definitely be back. After I got my ears pierced, I headed over to one of my favorite coffee shops in Manhattan. It's called Coffee Project. I got their iced latte with almond milk and honey and cinnamon, my absolute favorite combo. And I just sat and chilled and got some work done before I met up with my boyfriend to get bagels, because a weekend in New York is not a weekend in New York without getting a bagel. We went to Tompkins Square Bagels, one of my favorites for sure. My order is always a whole wheat bagel or an everything bagel, depending whatever mood I'm in. And then I love the veggie tofu cream cheese and adding avocado and cucumber to it. And my boyfriend got just a plain bacon, egg, and cheese on a plain bagel. God, this view is gorgeous. Welcome to my crib. It's my crib. Wait, that's the plant shed I wanted to go to. They have good matcha. After our afternoon in Manhattan, going to get bagels, going to the new museums, we caught up with my boyfriend's family at Miss Lily's and got dinner. I had this delicious vegetarian roti, and the sweet plantains were just a 10 out of 10. Then Llewellyn's night 2, I got the vegan peanut butter brownie honeycomb. He got the same as last night. Earl Grey, right? Rainy Manhattan. It's now Sunday and I'm meeting my friend Grace Sauter from the Sauter Sisters on Instagram. We are going to get a little coffee and pastry or something from La Cabra, but I am much earlier than I thought. So I'm actually going to stop by another one of my favorite coffee shops called All the King's Horses. So that is where I'm heading right now. good. Now I'm heading to La Cabra to meet Grace, and I'm so excited for this almond croissant. You don't even know, like it's so good. I'm here with Grace.
Hi! I'm the Sauter sister. I'm one of them.
You're one of the Sauter sisters. We are here at La Cabra. Okay, first of all, just like,
I mean, come on, the details are ridiculous.
come on.
Once again, just being present here with Grace, enjoying my chai latte and my almond croissant was such a special moment. Reflecting on a time when something like this would stress me out so much, it's just so cool to see the growth and such an amazing feeling to feel that I have the freedom and I can eat an almond croissant and drink my chai latte whenever I want, whatever day I want, and you can too.